all-inclusive experience in Marlin Alley, Mexico. Los Cabos. Mayans, mezcal, and music, tacos and tequila are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Mexican holidays, but they are a terrific place to start. You can't go wrong in this spirited Pacific playground with its Spanish influences, ancient ruins, and delicious chili-infused cuisine. The paintings of Frida Kahlo may be found in Mexico City, while Tulum's old Mayan harbor is a must-see in Tulum. The glittering bars of Cancun, or Los Cabos, are the perfect place to unleash your inner spring breaker. Nonetheless, if you've had enough of the Mayan Riviera's palm-fringed beaches, head inland to Yucatan, where you'll find one of the world's last remaining 7 wonders. Holidays to Mexico include stunning beaches, excellent all-inclusive resorts, and a Latin culture distinct from anything else in the Caribbean. Explore the intriguing Chichen Itza, or the cobbled lanes of attractive ancient colonial villages, to learn more about Mexico's rich history. Expect vibrant celebrations and events, including the Dia de Muertos and Cinco de Mayo celebrations in Puebla. Add this to the more than 6,000 kilometers of breathtaking coastline, magnificent beaches, and serene blue waters for the perfect beach getaway. Unwind on the breathtaking beaches with white tropical sand, or take advantage of the region's top-notch diving and snorkeling locations. Los Cabos is located on the Pacific coast, at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula, in Baja California Sur, Mexico. Unlike the Caribbean side, Los Cabos offers a perfect climate all year round, and one of the driest climates in the world. Cabo is a charming town with a nice assortment of high-end resorts, clubs, and restaurants, ideal for those seeking a less chaotic holiday than Cancun, while still enjoying some opulent properties along this stunning coastline. So, discover the best of Mexico with good vibes only.